Hey guys, so quick video how you can possibly reset the LG refrigerator. I was looking on how you can possibly fix it, and this is something I found, so maybe it's going to help you, maybe not. So in order to reset the appliance, you just need to unplug it for like, let's say 10-15 minutes and then plug it back in. But if it's not working for you, there can be an issue with it, is that you have like, let's say, ice buildup or just something is off with it. Then what you need to do is that you need to, let's say, defrost it, and just look on how you can defrost the LG fridge like during the night or with a fan. And this is the something that you want to do, and maybe it's going to help you. So hope this video helped you. You just want to unplug it for like 10-15 minutes and then plug it back in, and that should also work possibly. So yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye.